Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So today's video is a recreation video from StalkBuyLove. So currently I have been obsessed with all the outfits from StalkBuyLove. Thereby, while stalking the outfits from StalkBuyLove, I got a look over this picture. So there's a outfit called Nelly Knotted crop top from StalkBuyLove. I've been loving this outfit a lot. So that's why I thought, why not DIY it? So what I did is I quickly took a stole or a scarf from a local store and then I DIY it to make it look something like this. So yes, those who are new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also you can follow me on my social media, and we are really close to 10k subscribers, so please subscribe if you haven't already, and also press the little bell button to get notified whenever a video comes up. And yes, without any further ado, we should just get started with this video. Take a camisole of your choice that fits perfectly on your body and a scarf, maybe a medium or a large size scarf. Now place the camisole off over the scarf and let the straps flow out of the scarf, and make sure to make a gap of 2 inches from the side. Now wrap the scarf over the camisole this way and then mark the end points of the scarf, which I'm showing you on the screen. After you mark the point, now straightforwardly draw a line. So I'm drawing a line from that particular point which we have got already as an endpoint for the top. So I'm going to draw the line and quickly cut it off with the help of a pair of a scissor. So I'm going to cut it off. So once done cutting, it should look something like this. So now I'm going to place the camisole over the folded scarf and then measure the height of the cami and straightforwardly draw a line over the scarf and then cut it off. So again I'm making use of a pair of scissors to cut it off. So this is the basic sketch or a rough top out of the scarf. Now I'm going to mark a point having a distance of 5 cm from the bottom and then straightforwardly going to draw a line and then cut it off. Now the point to be noted is you need to cut it only from the front side of the top. Make sure you don't cut at the back side of the top, because this is the ideal way of doing it. As you can see in the picture, we have the knot from the front side, that's why I did it. Now next we need to stitch the edges of the sides of the top. So I'm going to hem it this way. I'm going to straightforwardly stitch it. So what you can do is either you can make use of a sewing machine if you have at your home, or else stitch by your hand. As I didn't have a sewing machine, I did it by my own. So this is how it should look after we have hemmed the edges from the sides. Now turn it back, and now it's time to hem the edges right from the bottom. So this is the bottom edge which I'm going to hem. So straightforwardly stitch them like the way we stitched the edges of the sides. So this is how it should look. Now cut 2 straps from the scarf having a height of 8 cm and take a piece of scarf equivalent to the strap length and fold it in the way as I'm showing you on the screen and straightforwardly stitch it off. You need to make 2 straps out of it. Now take those 2 straps which we have made already we are going to use to make a knot out of it. So fold it in the way as shown and then straightforwardly stitch it off on both the sides. At the end you need to stitch this 2 tiny straps right at the back and at the front as well. So now it's time to create the knot out of those 2 straps which we have stitched. So I'm creating the knot. Quickly have a look how to create a knot, and then you need to pull it a bit to make it look a bit larger, as in the picture it was of larger size. This is the final output. It looks quite a summery Nelly Knotted crop top, and I'm in total love with it.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're about to try this DIY, then make sure to use the hashtag DIY.With and tag me on my social media. So all of my social media handles are given in the description box below. So go follow me out on my social media. And yes, if you're about to try this DIY, I will surely feature you in my next video. So till then, take care. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.